Good morning to all the respected professor, my fellow classmates and everybody present here. My name is Sourabh Yadav, student of BTech 8th semester Mechanical Engineering at University Department, Rajasthan Technical University, Kota. Today I am here to present topic of seminar presentation on predictive maintenance under the guidance of Dr. A. K. Chaturvedi. So let's start with the first slide. These are the topic of my seminar. Firstly, introduce to the maintenance. Maintenance is a set of organized activities that are carried out in order to keep an item in its best operation condition with minimum cost required. And the some advantage of maintenance is to keep system operative, increase availability of the system and keep system equipment in working order. Next topic is needs of maintenance. Certainly we can't take the fact that everything can just run to failure and replace. The risk to employee safety and risk to production stoppage are enough to warrant to plan a maintenance program. Here are some additional benefits of industrial maintenance. It increases safety through reducing the risk of injuries, fatalities, and therefore reliability due to asset breakdown problem. It prevents costly downtime event which can disrupt production and result in lost business. It extends the useful lifespan of asset and increase their resale value at the end of life. If it reduces maintenance cost since repair can be far more expensive than the cost of preventive maintenance work. Industrial maintenance keeps asset running to meet schedule and budget commitments. It reduces energy consumption and operating costs. Now the types of maintenance. Mainly 4 types of maintenance shown in figure. First is predictive maintenance, second is preventive maintenance, third is improvement maintenance, and fourth is corrective maintenance. Now I am talking about predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is a type of condition-based maintenance that monitor the condition of assets through sensor devices. These sensor devices supply data in real time, which is then used to predict when the asset will require maintenance and thus prevent equipment failure. The first level is visual inspection, the second is instrument inspection, and third level is real-time condition-based monitoring, and fourth is predictive maintenance. Here the second type of maintenance, preventive maintenance or preventative maintenance. It is maintenance that regularly, routinely performed on physical asset to reduce the chances of equipment failure and unplanned machine downtime that can be very costly for the scheme and facility manager. And schedule based on real-time insight, often using software like CMS. A preventive maintenance task is performed while the equipment is still working. Prevent unexpected breakdown. A preventive maintenance strategy is commonly used approach that falls between reactive maintenance, run to failure, and predictive maintenance. The third type of maintenance is improvement maintenance. Improvement maintenance is aimed to identify and implementing improvement action and equipment in service. The purpose of maintenance is to propose an approach based on downtime analysis to raise the equipment performance such as reliability, maintainability, availability, and safety. The fourth type of maintenance is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is any task that corrects a problem with the asset and returns it to proper worker order. Corrective maintenance tasks can be both planned and unplanned. There are 3 situations when corrective maintenance occurs. When an issue is detected through the condition monitoring, when a routine inspection uncovers a potential fault, when a piece of equipment breaks down. The diagram shows real-time data processing. The next topic is real-time processing and data analytics. The data analytics is important because it helps business optimize their performance. Implementing it into the business model means companies can help reduce costs by identifying more efficient way of doing business and by storing large amount of data. A company can also use data analytics to make better business decisions and help analyze customer trade and satisfaction, which can lead a new and better production and services. Now the advantage of predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance reduces downtime and maintain longer life of asset and machine and reduce maintenance costs, improve safety, and enhance productivity. Here the disadvantage of predictive maintenance. Despite its vast set of advantages that provide a considerable impetus to some companies that throughout predictive maintenance comes with their own challenges. Few of such challenge that makes an suitable for some companies are scheduling task time. It takes a considerable amount of plan and implement a PDM schedule. Conclusion: the predictive maintenance presents you with the best time to work on an asset so that maintenance frequency is minimal and reliability is high as possible by eliminating unnecessary costs. However, there are few disadvantages to predictive maintenance like high startup cost and need of specialization personnel. Daily predictive maintenance is not apt for every company, especially those who have not yet implemented plant maintenance activity. However, large organizations that have outgrow conventional maintenance practice and have additional budget should leverage predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance has been shown in the tenfold increase the return of investment, 20 to 30% reduction in maintenance cost, a 70 to 75% decrease in breakdown, and 35 to 45% reduction in downtime. These statistics are evidence of why predictive maintenance is gaining prominence quickly. Any question?
Yes. What is CMMS?
The CMMS is a computer manufacturing management system that centralize the information of a organization and solve the solution.